Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Habis. Today we are going to talk about the new iOS 14 and its basic features, and you will understand from this how to use the new features. Let's get started. First of all, we can start from the Tips app. You will get some basic information about the new features. And first, you can personalize your home screen with widgets. You can add many widgets in your home screen. And this is the Smart Stack, and this is the app library. It will automatically organize every app into a specific folder. This is the new translation app they given into iOS 14, and this is the picture-in-picture mode that only work in some apps. And that's all. Now let's get started from the widgets. Just hold your phone, and when it starts to jiggle, just press the plus button. And here you can add any widgets you want. And tap on that and you will get 3 sizes. You can select any one. And just hold this. Now we can add the Smart Stack. The first one is showing the Smart Stack. You can select the size. And the speciality about the Smart Stack is that you can move from one widget to another in this only space. Now let's check out the app library. Just swipe to the last. Here you can see many apps are sorted into specific folders. In games, you can see the 2 games, and everything will be sorted perfectly into specific folders. Just I'll show you some example. Here you can see when social, here social apps are being added to one specific folder. Information and reading, and you can also search apps. And now let's look the translate app. And this translate app only available in 16 languages. You can only translate into the 16 languages given, and new languages will be added in the new update, I think so. Now let's look about the back tab. It's a very cool feature. See, it will take a screenshot if you double tap the back and show once. See, and all triple tap also available. And now the control center is on. Now I will show you how to set up the back tab. Go to settings and select accessibilities. And select touch and go down. There you can see the back tab. Click that. You can select which one to be performed when you back tap, and the triple tap also available. You can select which you want. In triple tap I selected the notification center. Now let's do it. See, you can see that notification panel appeared. And there is a small new feature on iOS 14, that is, when your camera is on, a green dot will appear on your taskbar. Here you can see it. And it also shows when your mic is on. I will show you by taking a voice. See, there's a yellow dot appeared in the taskbar. That means your mic is turned on. In every app which uses mic and camera, this small dot will appear. It will help you to understand that the app is using your mic or camera. Next one is that the Siri has a new appearance. If you hold the button, you can see a circle, and it will not take all of the screen. It will show only on the specific place in the round space only. Next, I am going to show you the new wallpapers they given to the wallpaper section. As you can see, 3 new wallpapers have been given, and it is also available in dark mode. And the old wallpapers, some of the wallpapers also gets the dark mode. You can it will change into dark mode also. And that's all about iOS 14. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, please like and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.